I am so excited to be working with you to learn how to consciously create success. I love to teach, and your timing is perfect. If you're watching this right now, chances are you are ready to really learn how to bring in the reality you so desire for yourself, the people we love, our families, our friends, and our world. It is critical right now because the planet needs us. And so that's why we've chosen this time. And not only am I providing you incredible techniques, which I've been studying metaphysics over 30 years now, so I have a few tricks up my sleeve, so to speak, but also you have energy tools to work with. And you'll get this beautiful bracelet. It is a permagold bracelet, and it opens and closes. It's got a lovely jump ring here, and you can also put on your own charms, or I've got a little Lakshmi I wear on this one, and because she's abundance, good fortune, success. And then you also get the Success Chi Band. And you'll notice I'm wearing everything on my left hand because your energy comes into your left, across your heart, and down your right. And we've upgraded it with the energy of Jupiter. Now, Jupiter, again, is good luck, good fortune. When you're trine by Jupiter, wonderful things happen. It's a very auspicious time. You win things, you come into a lot of money, you make great business deals, you're at the right place in the right time. A reversal in health oftentimes happens in Jupiter when you have health problems. It's just really great. So you can be trine by Jupiter all the time. You're just so lucky. And then also you get a Polaroid photograph. You'll send us in your digital photograph, and I need your full body, preferably against a very simple background. And then, and we'll print it on Polaroid paper. Digital photographs will not work, just so you know, it's only Polaroid. And then 2 Chi cubes, and one of them is manifestation gold for manifesting your dreams and your wishes. And you just put it on top of your Polaroid. And then you can leave it there for 30 minutes or more, but only one at a time. And then you can switch it out to Jupiter again, which is, amazingly lucky. So, and you feel yourself being lucky. That's the key too. And then also you'll get the Post-its. I'll send you some Post-its and they have to be 3 by 3 inch, because this is an incredibly tool for writing out what you want to create. And then I'll teach you exactly how to fold it, and together we're going to create beautiful realities. And as I said, now is the time. So I just am so grateful to all of you, and I hope you join me on this beautiful journey. And we've made it absolutely irresistible. So come and join us and become the magician that you were born to be.